How do you get a directory listing sorted by creation date in Python? What is the best way to get a list of all files in a directory, sorted by date, created, modified, using Python on a Windows machine?
I've done this in the past for a Python script to determine the last updated files in a directory. That should do what you're looking for based on file time. Edit. Note that you can also use os.lister in place of glob.glob, if desired. The reason I used glob in my original code was that I was wanting to use glob to only search for files with a particular set of file extensions, which glob was better suited to. To use lister, here's what it would look like. Here's a one-liner. This calls os.lister to get a list of the file names, then calls os.stat for each one to get the creation time, then sorts against the creation time. Note that this method only calls os.stat once for each file, which will be more efficient than calling it for each comparison in a sort.
Here's my version. First, we build a list of the file names. This file is used to skip directories. It can be omitted if directories should be included. Then, we sort the list in place, using the modify date as the key.
Update. To sort dirpath as entries by modification date in Python 3. Put at Pygirl's answer here for greater visibility. If you already have a list of file names files, then to sort it in place by creation time on Windows, make sure that list contains absolute path. The list of files you could get, for example, using glob is shown in @j's answer. Old answer. Here's a more verbose version of @Greg Hugill's answer. It is the most conforming to the question requirements. It makes a distinction between creation and modification dates, at least on Windows. Example.
I'm just